Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Firebase. Today we are going to learn how to upload the images in the Firebase. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to go with the story. So where we have the project. So go to your project settings first. Then we have a service accounts. Okay. And here you can see that generate a new private key, so it will give you this path, that is service account.json file. So just generate this one and it will automatically download to your downloads folder, right? Then copy that file and paste it into your folder and give a path to here, Firebase. Okay. And what we have to install, that is we have to install the pip install firebase admin. Make sure you have to install this Python package. Okay, so let's check the code. So here we have the import the Flask from the Flask request and the JSONify. Firebase admin we have to import, and we require the credential storage and the Firebase admin from it. Okay, then initialize the Firebase admin SDK with the credentials. Okay, and download. So path to your download service file. So this is the path that you have to add. Then initialize the app with the storage bucket. So how to get the storage bucket? So let's go to this Firebase storage, and here we have the bug storage bucket URL. So make sure you have to copy paste and add it over here. Then we have upload API part. Okay, then this is upload file function. So first of all, we will check that the file is there or not. On the behalf of it, we have managed the conditions, right? If the file is there, whatever we have uploaded, then we are going to process the file, set the content type of the file. Okay, then upload the image to the Firebase with the help of the storage bucket, bucket.blob, file.name. Okay, then we have to upload with the respective content type and get the public URL of the uploaded image. Okay, and if something goes wrong, it will go to your error block, right? And this is that one. Let's try to upload one of the image. Go to your postman, and this is the API endpoint. Let's try to upload the image. Okay, so here you have to go with this one. Let's upload any of one of the image. I think downloads, I have so many images. So next.js server actions. So I'm going to upload. Let's try to send this URL, and we get this one. If I copy this and paste it here, then see what will happen. I haven't pasted correctly. Okay, so where we go with the postman. So access denied, that anonymous user cannot use this one. So permission so we have to give the permission to that one so that it publicly it will be accessible. Okay, so let's go and check this one here, it is uploaded or not. So here you can see that we have a next.js server action, right? And this image is uploaded over here. Here you can see that, right? So this is how you are able to upload the images to the Firebase in the Python and the Flask. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.